Once upon a time, in a small and quiet village, there lived a young man named Ammon. He was talented, full of energy, and had many dreams. But there was one problem: he didn't know what to focus on. Every day, he started something new, but never finished it. One day, he would try farming. The next day, he would talk about starting a shop. And the next week, he wanted to become a teacher. Despite working hard, a man felt like he was going nowhere. One evening, tired and frustrated, a man went to visit a wise teacher in the village named Gur Arvant. People respected him for his wisdom and peaceful nature. A man bowed respectfully and said, "Guruji, I want to do something great in life, but I feel lost. I try everything, but nothing seems to work. What should I do?" Guru Arvind smiled and replied, "My child, you're like a boat without a direction. Let me tell you a story that will guide you. Years ago," he began, "there was a boy named Dev who had the same confusion as you. He had many dreams, but no clear path. One day, a traveler gave Dev a simple notebook and said, 'Write your goal, break it into steps, and follow it one day at a time.' At first, Dev laughed. He didn't think something so simple could change his life. But he tried. He wrote one clear goal: become a successful carpenter. Then he broke it down. Learn the skill, get tools, build simple furniture, and find buyers every morning. Dev read his goal every evening. He wrote what he achieved that day. Slowly, things started changing. His focus became stronger, and his efforts became smarter. He stopped wasting time on random things and started building a clear path within a year. Deb opened his own small shop in 2 years. People from nearby villages came to buy his furniture. And in 5 years, he trained other young people who were once just as lost as he had been. Ammon listened with wide eyes. So just writing a goal and following small steps can change everything. Guru Arind nodded. "Yes, my son, goals give your energy a direction. Without them, your effort gets scattered, but with them, your actions become powerful." He continued to set a good goal. Remember, 3 things are 1. Make it clear. Know exactly what you want. 2. Break it into small steps. Don't try to climb the mountain in one day. 3. Review and adjust life changes, and so can your plans inspired and hopeful. A man went home that night and wrote down one goal: start my own vegetable business. He listed the steps: learn from experienced farmers, save money, find a good spot in the market, and treat customers well every day. He worked on just one step. Within months, he started selling vegetables. He woke up early, smiled at every customer, and slowly built a name for himself. He kept learning, improving, and adjusting his goals. Years later, a man became one of the most successful young businessmen in the region. When someone asked him the secret to his success, he smiled and said, "Set one goal. Take one step daily. That's how you build a better life." A morale of the story: without a clear goal, effort goes to waste. But when you set a purpose, break it down, and work on it daily, success follows. Start small, stay focused, and keep going. This is how you set goals in